My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the online scam that is related to the site Garems.live. Some people may see these strange pop-ups by Garems.live. You should not interact with these fake alerts. They are absolutely faulty and truly deceptive. Do not trust whatever these pop-ups tell you. Such pop-ups, by the way, could be the consequence of some adware enabled in your computer. We recommend you to leave this page immediately, and we also recommend you to research your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install it, and then start researching and investigating the system. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to detect and delete all other threats which could possibly still remain on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.